Understanding the phrase, clam bake. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we are going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, clam bake. This is a phrase that you might come across in various contexts, particularly when talking about food and social gatherings. So, let's dive right in and understand what it means. Clam bake is a compound noun made up of two words, clam and bake. A clam is a type of shellfish that is commonly found in both freshwater and saltwater environments. To bake something means to cook it using prolonged heat, usually in an oven. However, when these two words come together, they take on a specific meaning. A clam bake refers to a traditional method of cooking seafood, particularly clams, by baking them on hot stones under a layer of seaweed. This method is native to the northeastern United States, especially in regions close to the Atlantic Ocean. Over time, the term has also come to refer to social events or gatherings where this type of cooking is featured. Clam bakes are often seen as social events, bringing friends and family together to enjoy a meal. It is not just about the food, but also about the experience and the communal aspect of preparing and sharing a meal. A clam bake can be a festive occasion, sometimes held outdoors, and it might include other types of seafood like lobsters, mussels, and corn on the cob. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, clam bake. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and given you a bit of cultural context as well. Clam bakes are a unique and enjoyable tradition, especially if you love seafood and good company. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.